A handshake is a type of greeting or parting gesture throughout the world. But can a handshake form a negative impression about you at workplace? Yes, definitely it can. Handshakes are a form of non-verbal communication and can convey various messages. So it is very important to understand how to shake hands in the professional world. In this video, we are going to discuss 6 bad handshakes to be certainly avoided in the professional settings. So let's get started. Number 1, a dominant handshake. Now what is this? This involves placing your palm downwards when offering your hand to someone, and it's a form of aggressive communication. The second is bone crusher. This is like the dominant handshake. The bone crusher is aggressive and involves an excessively strong grip. So basically you're crushing somebody's hand. So that's called as a bone crusher. So it's not comfortable. You need to understand how much pressure to put. The third one is a double-handed handshake. Although there are instances in which a double-handed handshake is appropriate, if used with someone whom you have just met, it can seem overly personal or intimate. So it's like holding somebody's hand between both your hands. So you need to see the comfort level of that person. Fourth one is limp fish. The handshake signals that you are nervous, uncertain, or uninvolved to the other person. It is like giving your fingers just like a limp. A limp handshake can be particularly detrimental in professional settings because it shows that you're underconfident. Then no eye contact handshake. Not making an eye contact during a handshake may signal to the other person that you're not forthcoming. It shows that you lack confidence, you're not believing in yourself, it shows you are disinterested, it can give various messages. The sixth one is a long handshake. This handshake lasts past the point of introduction and begins to feel awkward and uncomfortable due to its duration. You really need to be careful when to lose the grip because that can also cause a sexual harassment case against you. Remember that not all interactions require handshakes, and personal boundaries and preferences should be respected. There are certain people who don't like handshakes. A namaste or any other gesture could be taken into consideration. It's important to adapt to the specific context and the cultural norms. So I want to ask all of you, have you faced any unpleasant experience of a handshake? And be careful about the 6 bad handshakes because it can spoil your professional image. For more such videos, do tune into my channel and subscribe it right away. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.